Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Surah Al Imran, ayat number 156. Beautiful Quran translation in English and Urdu. Please subscribe, press bell button for our new video updates. Like and share for Sadqa Jariya. We teach Quran online. Number is in description below. Allah says, O you who have believed, do not be like those who disbelieved and said about their brothers when they traveled through the land or went out to fight, if they had been with us, they would not have died or have been killed. So Allah makes that misconception a regret within their hearts, and it is Allah who gives life and causes death, and Allah is seeing of what you do. ए लोगो जो ईमान लाए हो, काफरों की सी बातें ना करो जिनके अजीज़ व अकारब अगर कभी सफ़र पर जाते हैं या जंग में शरीक होते हैं और वहाँ किसी हादसे से दुचार हो जाते हैं, तो वो कहते हैं कि अगर वह हमारे पास होते तो ना मारे जाते और ना कत्ल होते। अल्लाह उस कौम की बातों को उनके दिलों में